Steering wheel restoration. Here we have a Armstrong Siddeley steering wheel. I think it's an Armstrong Siddeley Hurricane. I believe it dates from 1947. This came in and half of the rim had been remodelled in car body filler, these sections and the top section. So we removed all the plastic from the rim and recast a new one from our moulds. You can see it's got all the original detail, finger grips, etc. The plastic comes down here partially over the spokes. We also stripped the boss and recoated it and freed up this indicator cancellation ring which was jammed in the front of the boss there, and we also fixed a split in the adjusting nut where some force had been used to lock it up on the top of the column. But that's an Armstrong Siddeley Hurricane, dates from about 1947.